So students, I am going to continue the topic of from the previous video. In the previous video I have told you about the functions. Three types of references are there. Now we are going to discuss the functions. So like this, there are 6 functions are given in your book. Functions मैंने आपको बताया था रेडीमेड formulas. मैंने अभी बताया function का structure कैसे होता है. You starts with is equal to sign. The first function is sum, and then you will write argument. You will write the cell address and then close parenthesis. This is called sum function and you can copy it. उसके बाद next है आपका average function. It's very easy. आपको is equal to लगा के you just write average, put parenthesis and जिसका भी आपको average put करना है you can take it out vertically also, it's your choice. ओके तो 67 का दोनों का आप एवरेज निकालोगे तो ऑब्वियसली आप इज इक्वल टू एवरेज लिखोगे एंड देन यू पुट द फंक्शन. उसके बाद आता है मैक्स. अगर आपको किसी भी वैल्यू में ये अब जैसे ये जितने भी सेल कंटेंट्स हैं इन सेल कंटेंट्स में आप ये पता लगाना चाहते हो कि विच इज़ द मैक्सिमम वैल्यू, बिगेस्ट वैल्यू क्या है, तो उसके लिए आप इक्वल टू मैक्स एंड देन यू विल पुट पैरेंथेसिस and in that you will select the cells. So it will show you the maximum value and you know very well what is the maximum value in this 89. Okay, in the same way you can put the minimum. If you want to find out the smallest number you will write min parenthesis and select, or you can put the range and just put parenthesis, so it will tell you the least value 34. After that count. If you want to count ki काउंट में एक चीज़ याद रखना, यू कांट काउंट द ब्लैंक सेल्स, यू कैन काउंट ओनली द सेल्स विच कंसिस्ट ऑफ कंटेंट्स. सो यू विल राइट इक्वल टू काउंट एंड इन parenthesis you will write the range. So it will show you the answer. So answer is 10 because there are 10 cells in which contents are written. After that if function. Suppose if you want to find out suppose I just want to calculate the how many students which is who is fail and who is pass. So for that condition is that those who have got less than 40% they are fail and those who have scored above 40 they are passed. So for that type of situations we can use if function. Equal to if, in that you will put the address cell address. Suppose cell address is this. Now compare it with less than 40. अगर किसी कोई भी स्टूडेंट 40 से कम स्कोर करता है तो he will be fail, he or she will be fail और pass, नहीं तो वो pass होगा. Okay, so I have just written the one cell. I can copy this formula, press enter key. So this is now I just going to copy it. Okay, so all are pass here. If same formula I am going to copy here, suppose if you want to put on this cell, so write down equal to if cell address. Suppose this is the cell address, compare it with 40 comma fail. I am writing fail in string because it is a string value. अगर numeric value होगी तो you don't put quotes. So now just copy it. This student is fail. So in this way we can put all the 6 functions. Today, suppose you want to know what is the date today, so equal to today. तो here I have just put the blank parenthesis. इसमें मैंने आर्ग्यूमेंट में कोई भी वैल्यू नहीं दी बिकॉज आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू नो कि आज कौन सी डेट है. तो यू जस्ट राइट इक्वल टू टुडे एंड पुट द पैरेंथेसिस, तो इट विल शो यू द डेट. सो इन दिस वे we can use all the 6 functions. Then now we will learn what is sorting. Sorting means होता है like suppose you want to arrange in ascending order or descending order. So I'm just going to show you how we can sort the data. Then filter. In filtering you can only extract that data which you want to see, otherwise it will hide the rest of the data. So for this I'm going to take a new sheet, just write the marks of the students. Here I am going to write the names. Now I want to sort these students according to their marks. These are the names and these. Okay, now I want to sort these students according to their marks. Those who have scored highest marks, from highest to lowest I want to arrange. So select both the cells, click on data. So just select the cells, click on data, sort. Here you can select sort by, I want to sort by marks. मुझे नेम से सॉर्ट नहीं करना है, मुझे उनके मार्क्स के अकॉर्डिंग उनको सॉर्टिंग करनी है. तो मार्क्स लार्जेस्ट टू स्मॉलेस्ट. ओके, नाउ यू कैन सी जिस 100 मयूर हैज स्कोर्ड 100 मार्क्स, रीमा 89, गीता 89. सो इन दिस वे वी कैन डू सॉर्टिंग, क्योंकि जिसके जो मार्क्स हैं वो वही रहेंगे, आप दोनों को नहीं सॉर्ट कर सकते. बिकॉज इफ मयूर हैज स्कोर्ड 100 तो उसके मार्क्स 100 ही रहेंगे. इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल कि आप नेम्स को अल्फ़ाबेटिकल वाइज भी कर दो और मार्क्स को स्मॉलेस्ट लार्जेस्ट टू स्मॉलेस्ट. ठीक है, एक ही चीज़ इसमें सॉर्ट होगी. सो यू कैन नॉट सॉर्ट मल्टीपल कॉलम्स. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज फिल्टरिंग. Suppose you want to filter the data, click on filter. So here it is showing the filter. Suppose if you will click here, custom sort. So here also you can put the sorting. If you want to sort them by names A to Z, okay. Okay, so in this way you can sort. अब आपको जिसका डाटा शो नहीं करना है उसको डीसेलेक्ट कर दो. So in this way you can do the custom filter. अमित को नहीं देखना, मत देखो. गीता ओके. सनी यू डोंट वांट टू सी, ओके. ठीक है, here you can display only that data which you want to see. Rest of the data you can hide. So as it is showing only G and Rima because I have selected only these data. I have selected G and Rima. If you want to show all, so click on select all and do. So in this way we can do the filtering. Filtering में क्या होता है कि आप डाटा को अपने अकॉर्डिंग एक्सट्रैक्ट कर सकते हो. अगर आप पूरा डाटा शो नहीं करना चाहते हो, यू कैन हाइड इट विद द हेल्प ऑफ filtering. See, filtering provides several ways to analyze data. The filter feature allows you to see only those records that you want to see. While it hides away the rest of the data temporarily from the view, you can filter a list to display records that meet specific criteria by using auto filter video. So as I have shown you, you can, if you want to show all, okay, so it is showing all. So in this way you can sort, you can show all the data. Okay, and you can also do sorting. Sort by color, sort smallest to largest. ठीक है, suppose I want to names, sort the names from Z to A like this. So in this way we can do sorting. Thank you. Now your chapter is complete.